Are you swamped with tasks? What if you could save hours every week with AI starting today? These 5 tools will change how you work, study, or run your business. I'll show you exactly how. Don't miss this, it's easier than you think. Hey there! Struggling to find time for work, studies, or your side hustle? You're not alone. Welcome to AIProyzy. I'm sharing 5 AI tools to help you get organized, cut stress, and enjoy your day. These are simple hacks, no tech skills needed. Ready to make life easier? Let's dive in. First, ChatGPT. It's a free super smart assistant. Need a quick email or project plan? Just ask it to draft one. Write a professional email inviting a client to a meeting. In seconds, you get a polished draft. I cut my email time from 20 minutes to 2, total game changer. Next, Notion AI, your key to staying organized. It builds to-do lists, tracks goals, even suggests tasks. Open Notion's free version. Type weekly plan. AI creates a checklist instantly. I plan my week in 5 minutes, not an hour. You'll feel in control, no more chaos. Number 3, Zapier. It automates boring tasks. Want emails saved to Google Drive automatically? Set up a free Zap in 2 minutes. Connect Gmail to Drive. Done. I save 30 minutes a day on manual uploads. That's time for coffee or Netflix. Fourth, Grammarly AI, your writing sidekick. It fixes typos, boosts clarity, and makes you sound pro, even on a free plan. Paste an email into Grammarly's web tool. It polishes your words in seconds. I aced a client pitch without stress. Write faster, sound better. Finally, Otter AI transcribes notes so you can focus. Record a meeting or study session on its free plan. It creates a searchable text file. I captured a lecture and found key points in seconds. No scribbling. It's like a memory upgrade. These tools don't just save time. They give you freedom. Write emails, plan your week, take notes all faster. With less stress, you can start with their free versions today. See results by tomorrow. That's it. 5 powerful AI tools to make 2025 your most productive year yet. With ChatGPT, Notion AI, and the others, you have the keys to work smarter, reduce stress. Focus on what matters, your career, your studies, or just more time for yourself. Which tool are you most excited to try? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If this helped you, please give the video a like. Consider subscribing to AIProyzy for more strategies to streamline your life. Thank you for watching. Here's to making every day count.